In Norwegian, we call this gå på tur. So, yeah, going out for a walk in the woods. I was running, so I ran out of breath. Oh my god, it was slippery. Them. That's my mom and my dad walking. Look at the trees. Oh, it's icy, but it looks dirty. See, it's turning ice. I think it's, look at the lovers walking here in the woods. I'm a third wheel, and look at that. Look at the view up there. It's frozen, and then this side is as well frozen. Okay, let's go closer. It's still water over there, but there is like frozen. Trying her best to walk up the hill. Place where you can sit when you go up for a walk here. We have like a table and chairs made of woods. Yeah, this is up here where you can see the view. Going down there to walk more. Yeah, nature. You can have fresh air. Yeah, solemn. Quiet, peace. I wrote my name here. Not, it's hard. See, it's hard, so it's fine. Just nice, it's peaceful, it's quiet. Where's my parents? Oh, they're there. The leaves are all dead now since it's so cold out here. Bye bye, duckling. Bye bye. Bye bye, cuties. It's cold outside. This is rhododendron. My dad said this is all rhododendron. So they'll come alive soon. Maybe by May they will be back and they will grow a lot over here. Wow. A secret garden.